All right, ladies and gentlemen, you know what it is. Look at this, the harvest, baby. Yo, I'm telling you, them peppers, those shishito peppers is just coming crazy right now. I got the jalapenos coming up crazy right now. Man, SFA Garden is doing big things, man. You know what I'm saying? I should have showed me picking them, but I wasn't thinking about that. So I just wanted to come to y'all real quick and let y'all know I'm still at the garden. The squash plant is acting funny. I don't know what's going on with it, man. I had to take one out. It was looking like it was dead. I guess the heat wave is just still on these vegetables. But these peppers is like, we don't give a damn. You heard me? And I heard you're supposed to fry these things. Well, I've done it already. Fry them up with oil, a little seasoned salt, a little dip. Popping. I get ready, man. The harvest is here. And you guys should be planting some something in the backyard somewhere, man, just to see it grow. You know what I'm saying? Replenish the earth. And I'll be back later. All right, ladies and gentlemen, y'all see my shishitos, right? This is how you get it popping right here. You get some shishitos in the pan like this, and you fry them things up in a nice sauce of your choice. And when they're nice and soaked in that sauce, you go ahead and serve them up. You know what I'm saying? So if you ever was wondering what you need to do with some of these shoshitos that I'm growing in the garden, you can also throw some jalapenos in there too. You know, it depends on what you want to do. But I'm just gonna eat these just like this in the sauce, along with my, my vegetables or whatever I want to put with it. But you can basically eat it by itself. If your body is kind of funny with the spice, then I wouldn't suggest you eat this because it's a little spicy. You know what I'm saying? For all these people that like spice, this is how you make those shoshitos, man. Grow them in the garden. They're easy to grow. I plant and giving you yields every day, and you'll be coming back in the house like this. As long as you plant another plant. You know what I'm saying? I got about 5 out there. Maybe not. I got like 2. 2 is giving me like 30 every week. So just imagine if I had a whole garden of these shoshitos. And I'll be back with y'all later. I'm about to get this in.